that the author is, looking for this for a lower budget. Or you audition for the book with your actual rate and just see what happens. It could very well be that the author doesn't really know how the pricing structure works, or just arbitrarily selected something looking for quotes, right, from different levels of narrators. Usually I will just quote my rate, regardless of what the client or the buyer has listed as their budget, because I have found in my experience, more often than not, it's just an arbitrary number. It's just a number they chose because they wanted to see how much it would actually be, because they didn't know. They didn't have an expectation. They wanted you, as the professional, to tell them what this project would cost so they can get an idea and then see if it is in fact something in their budget.